Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module I want to show you how you can use Calc to create a spreadsheet that's going to work out the Bradford Factor for you. The Bradford Factor is a weighted tool to assess staff absenteeism. So basically it works like this: sick days multiplied by sick episodes multiplied by sick episodes. Now an episode is when somebody's off sick. So that could be 1 day or 100 days. As long as they're continuous, that's just one episode. So if they was off for 10 days, that's one episode. If they're off for 10 days every other day, that would be 10 episodes. So that's quite important. You get your head around that. So for example, if somebody had 3 separate days off, the formula would be 3 days times 3 episodes times 3 episodes, giving a Bradford Factor score of 27. Now, different companies have different scores, trigger scores for concern or discipline, but this is just a rough guide of what you could use. That would be really almost impossible to get, but that is a very high score. So what I've got on the screen is just a little basic calendar where I'm going to use the letter S to indicate somebody being on sick. So if I type S in there for sick, that's 1 episode, S again, 2 episodes, S again, 3 episodes. What I now need to do is in this episode column is put 3. And in this column, I need to be counting the S's. So I can use the CountIF function for that. So if I go equals CountIF, open the bracket, look at that row, comma. Now I'm just going to put the S in quotes because then it will pick that up and it'll be easy for me to just copy this down. Close the bracket, click the tick, so that comes up with 3 occurrences and the 3 episodes. And now I should just copy that formula down, so I'll just copy that and paste it down to the next one, and then the next one, and the next one, and then the last one. And then what I need to do at the bottom is just summarize that. So I'll just check that this bottom one works. I'll just put an S there. So that's picked that up. So now you need to do the sum function. So go and get the sum function. So it's that one. I'm holding my control key down. That one, and that one. So that should say 4. Tick. And then I can pull that across for the episodes. And then I need to put 1 episode in there to give me that score. So basically it's 4 and 4. Now if somebody's got, let's do the other one then. So if I go S, 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 that is just 1 episode, even though it's got a score of 3. That is just 1 episode. Now the Bradford Factor is the sum that I did there. So this would be equals that score times that again, which would give you the score. So if I just tick that, this has got a score of 175. So that sits in this bracket. So it very easily, once you do these extra sick occurrences, does it clock up and start getting quite a high score. And if you wanted to, you could just put that on a graph. I'll just go insert, just a little column chart. That'll do. I'll just finish that off, get rid of the label. Make that a little bit smaller. Well, a lot smaller. Then just sit it under there. And then if you want to put the labels on there, but you can see quite easily where that sits. So it's just a very basic tool of how to sort of track people. If you think you've got a problem with absenteeism, there are some stats about what it should be, and a lot of companies I've done work for, the absenteeism is very high. Something like 10%, which is way above the industry standard. So using the Bradford Factor is just a tool so you can start pulling people up about their absenteeism, and once you start seeing the scores on the doors, you know you've got them, and then you can move on hopefully. So that was just a very quick video of how you can use Calc to create a little spreadsheet to work out the Bradford Factor for sickness in this example. So thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.